Florin Balan. Florin Balan was a cell-traded cousin, and the manager of technical matters for all their circuses. He sorted out how to implement tricks, use the cell-traded secrets and create awesome effects. I knew that was just the tip of the iceberg with this fellow. How right I was. Florin's lab was an odd mixture of current technology and ancient-looking pieces. He told me, we have mixtures here that were first made over 300 years ago from the exact same formula. In fact, some are made in the exact same vessels. Marius said, Florin's like an older brother. I respect him, I admire him, and consider him immediate family, but we didn't grow up together. His family grew up in the Nicolae Ceausescu era of Romania until Ceausescu and his wife were executed in 1989. Secret police held tight control over free speech and Romania's products were exported to pay off foreign debt due to mismanagement. The lack of medicine, food, energy, and other basic necessities drove the people to the brink of starvation. Elena, his significant other, had 40 homes while the Romanian people starved. 1 in 3 citizens was a collaborator. They captured them on December 22, 1989, and they were executed by a firing squad on Christmas Day. We could see multiple skunks coming out of their dens in search of Count Gregor because Florin had coated the bottom of his boots and coat with skunk pheromones. We couldn't smell the pheromones, but the skunks certainly could. Florin was a whiz at extracting one thing from another and pumping it up to mega potency. Marius laughed. Florin was quoted, Tesla said, there is no energy in matter other than that received from the environment. That, of course, went against Einstein's E equals mc2 theory.